Located in the heart of the high-altitude resort of Val d'Isere in the French Alps, widely considered one of the best ski resorts in the world. One of the most luxurious and unique ski chalets in the Alps, Chalet Lhotse retains a feeling of exclusivity and enjoys stunning views of the infamous La Face Piste. Ultra-luxurious and family-friendly, the chalet is a masterpiece of traditional Alpine design and refinement. From the wooden floors and massive wooden beams supporting the vaulted ceiling to the crystal chandeliers and subtle lighting, the chalet welcomes you into a warm and homely ambiance. The open-plan living and dining floor is an exceptional space to come together and enjoy gourmet cuisine and evenings in front of the fire. The lounge area is oriented around the central feature fireplace, which subtly delineates the space. A large corner sofa is inviting, and the neighboring bar ensures the drinks will be flowing all evening. The dining room is lit by a contemporary feature chandelier and has direct access onto the balcony. The spa facilities really are exceptional. Located on the ground floor is a beautiful indoor heated swimming pool with a huge drop-down cinema screen connected to the chalet's multimedia entertainment system. Make use of the massage room, sauna, hammam, state-of-the-art gym, and indoor jacuzzi. Via the front bedroom terraces, you can access an outdoor hot tub where you can breathe the fresh mountain air and enjoy the inspiring views of Val d'Isere while you unwind. Spacious at 500 square meters, the chalet offers 7 luxurious ensuite bedrooms. The relaxation area with its private bar, complete with bar games, is ideal for après-ski drinks or an after-dinner cocktail.